Hello, it is almost 11. I have 6 ounces of 80/20, 6 ounces of 93%, and then that salsa that I made up over the weekend. Full disclosure, having some bathroom issues. I was taking a medication that causes constipation. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter in this to see if that kind of helps things along. So you'll see that on chronometer at the end. And then so I'm putting everything bagel seasoning. And I stopped the medication that I was taking. It wasn't for anything serious. It was just something I was trying. Some Dinos. It was a supplement I was trying. And, well, I can't be having that bathroom issue because that ain't no fun. So we'll see maybe in a couple days. And like I said, I'm going to be adding this fat because when I was carnivore, that's what I would do if I felt like I needed to go. So here's a clump of butter. I'm going to soften it up and mix it all up. And yeah, so hopefully that will help me with that issue. And there you go. That's what's for brunch. We're going a little on the basic side for supper. Got 6 ounces of 80/20, some vegetables. I have some bacon grease. It's been in the freezer. I'm going to pull out, hang on, let's see how much it is. About a tablespoon, I think. But I'll put in the grams. Yeah, almost. Because I'm still having the issue. And I don't want to give y'all all the details. Anyway, so bacon grease, 6 ounces of 80/20 burgers, and that's, it's zucchini and squash. So I'm going to nuke that for a couple minutes. Okay, I'll show you up close. That was actually hamburger that I pulled apart. That's a little bit of the unmelted bacon grease. I'm going to put some garlic and herb seasoning on it. That sounds good. I'll put a little slap your mama on it because that's good on everything. And then I'm going to put just some good old-fashioned salt on it. And there you go. That is what is for supper. So the medication I would try, it's not a medication, it's an over-counter supplement called SAM-E. And some people say it's really good for people who have some ADD, ADHD issues. And I tried it. I really liked it. But I stopped it as of, my last one was yesterday. I can't be having, like I said, I had to break out a glove, and that's pretty hardcore. So, yeah, I can't be having that kind of constipation anymore. So I'm getting rid of, I'm stopped the pill, so I'm not going to take that anymore. And it did feel good. I liked how it made me feel, but I just can't deal with the side effect. So that is my supper. The bacon and butter definitely raised my calories, but that's okay.